If your traffic has been dropping and your SEO best practices stopped working, it's not your content, it's how AI reads your content. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to boost your Webflow SEO for AI search in 2026. So AI agents can finally parse your content, trust it and quote it. And just so you know, this isn't just theory. We've worked on Webflow sites for Kajabi, Jasper and others, so their pages get found, understood and cited by AI engines like Perplexity, Google SGE and OpenAI's new search. And here's exactly what we are covering in this video. How to make your content AI readable, so agents can actually extract your answers. How to add the right schema and structured data, so AI understands your pages technically. And how to build the trust signals AI uses to decide who it quotes and who it ignores. Let's dive in. Before we talk about schema or technical SEO, we need to fix the thing that matters most. How your content is written. Because here's the truth. No one wants to admit. AI search engines don't read. They parse, extract and summarize. And if your content isn't structured in a way that AI can safely break apart and reassemble, you simply won't show up. So here's what your content needs. Short sentences, because AI hates long, wandering thoughts. One idea per paragraph, so stay away from nesting concept. Headings that match real search intent. Don't be clever or cute. Bullet points, steps, comparisons. Just keep in mind structured text is extractable text. Skip the fluff, because padding is now a ranking killer. Get used to answer first writing. Give the conclusion first, then focus on explaining. Think of it this way. You're not just writing for humans anymore. You're writing for humans and machines. And the machines need clarity more than personality. Here's the basic rule. If AI cannot extract your meaning in under 0.5 seconds, you will not show up in AI results. This is your biggest lever. Get it wrong and nothing else matters. Next, we need to give AI more than text. We need to give it context. Schema is the bridge between what you meant and what AI understands. It's basically saying, hello AI overlord, here's what this page is about, here's how it's structured, and here's how you should use it. In Webflow, the schema you should prioritize includes FAQ page for extraction. How-tos are great for procedural queries. Product features, pricing, specs. Information about your organization, like address, phone, founder, and other structured facts. Person or your subject matter experts, writers, and leadership. Then validate everything with Google's Rich Results Test and Schema Org Validator. And here's a secret that's becoming more and more important. Fill the schema gaps your competitors are not using. Because your text already makes this clear. Pages with rich, relevant schema earn higher extraction rates. That line needs to be burned into your brain. Schema isn't old school SEO, it's AI SEO. Schema equals visibility, quotability, and competitive advantage. And this is your biggest technical win inside Webflow. Finally, here's something everyone gets wrong about AI search. AI doesn't just show the best content. AI shows the safest content. It prioritizes pages that are credible, transparent, and verifiable. So your Webflow site needs to look like it was written by an actual expert, not a ghost. In order to achieve this, don't forget to add real author bios with credentials, not just vague titles. Sources, citations, outbound links to primary data. Screenshots, charts, or references. Updated content every few months. Reviews, mentions, partnerships, awards. Proof of expertise, especially in your money or your life industries. Why does this matter? Because AI is trying to reduce misinformation. If your content feels risky, unsourced, or generic, it simply won't quote you. Trust signals are your ranking insurance in the AI era. The safer your content looks, the more comfortable an AI model feels quoting you in its final answer. Now, you can make your Webflow content AI readable, structured and trustworthy using everything we covered in this video. And that alone will put you far ahead of most websites in your industry. But there's one thing that will hold all of this back if you don't fix it next. Even if AI can parse your content, and even if it trusts your expertise, your site still needs to load fast enough for AI crawlers and humans to actually rank it. So in the next video, I'm going to walk you through steps that will optimize the speed of your Webflow site. The exact steps we use at Flowout to make Webflow sites 10 times faster for SaaS teams, agencies and enterprise companies. If you want to give your site the strongest possible chance of appearing in AI search results, this is the next step. Click here and I'll show you how to do it step by step.